Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for today is time management. Everything needs to be done quickly and expeditiously. Everything needs to be done. Time won't work today in 21st century, in 2021. Time stealers in our life are mobile phones, lack of planning in life, and the time wasted while sitting before the idiot box, watching unnecessary serials, programs, etc. Okay? So here very important thing what we understand is time stealers. What are the time stealers? Mobile phones, lack of planning in life, time wasted sitting before the idiot box. Idiot box is TV. Unnecessarily watching the serials, programs in TV. These are the time stealers. From now onwards, please observe and don't go to time stealers. Never watch TV, serial or program. Never watch. Your time is being stolen by the idiot box TV for serials and programs. Time is a unique resource. Money can be earned, time cannot be earned. It can't be accumulated like money. Money can be accumulated, time cannot be accumulated. Time lost is lost forever. Our 24 hours spent, how we are spending? Let us see. Our 24 hours spent as follows. 24 hours we are spending like this. Sleep 8 hours. Office work 8 hours. Traveling time 2 hours. For physical hygiene, say bathing, exercise, etc. 1 hour. For taking food 2 hours. For entertainment, social meetings, personal habits 2 hours. 23 hours over gone. Only 1 hour is left for meaningful activities, for our personal development goals. For our personal development goals, only 1 hour is left for meaningful goals. Why waste time? Why waste time on TV, idiot box? This 1 hour is also lost in the activities which are rather unplanned, such as unscheduled guests, loose talks, or gossiping around. Unscheduled guests, without information, guests come to you. Loose talks, gossiping, all this 1 hour also gone. Where is time for your personal development? Please try to understand. This is what time management is. Time management is doing more things right. Doing more things right is time management. Time management is nothing but self-management. If you manage self, time automatically managed. Myths about time management. Myth 1. The harder you work, the more things you get done. It is myth. Reality, much depends on what is done and how it is done. That is myth, this is reality. Myth 2. People in higher positions make better decisions. That is myth. Reality, people on the ground are more realistic in making decisions. Myth 3. Delay improves the quality of decisions. Reality, rational and creative thinking improve quality of decisions. Myth 4. Time can be saved. Reality, time only can be spent. The saved time also can be spent immediately. Myth 5. If you do things yourself, tasks get done more efficiently. Reality, not true. Right delegation is better. What are the personal time wasters? 1. Oversleeping, excessive sleeping, unorganized sleeping. For one person, for one day, 8 hours sleep will do. 8 hours. That's all. Don't to spend more time on sleeping. 8 hours will do on sleeping. Oversleeping, no use. Excessive sleeping, no use. Unorganized sleeping. Sleeping then and there, nobody. No. For sleeping, put your time. 9 to 4, 9 to 5, 9 to 6, like that. You have to put some fixed time for sleeping. Unorganized sleeping, not good at all. 2. Sleeping during daytime. Sleeping during daytime is a time waster. Visiting friends aimlessly, avoid it. Spending long precious time on newspaper, short time put on newspaper ready. Hesitation in saying no, this is also a time waster. Unavoidable personal time wasters. Avoidable personal time wasters, we discussed 5 are there. Unavoidable personal time wasters, let us see. 1. Waiting for guests on special occasion. 2. Hostile neighbors. 3. Low pressure in water taps. 4. Unsatisfactory performance of household staff. Avoidable official time wasters. 1. Low level of job knowledge. 2. Employees repeating same mistakes. 3. Frequent tea. 4. Not saying no when ought to be said. 5. Slowing down the pace of work in case deadline is far away. Unavoidable official time wasters. 1. Frequent calls from the boss. 2. Centralization in office. Inadequate delegation. 3. Lack of proper coordinative mechanism. 4. Poor work culture in office. These are techniques for time management. 1. Set priority for goals. 2. Understand your goals. 3. Goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Smart. 4. Dissolve procrastination. 5. Reduce time spent on paperwork. 6. Cut down on phone calls at work. 7. Cut down socializing at work. 8. Have dynamic meetings. 9. Be realistic while planning schedules. 10. Make best use of travel and commuting time. 11. Communicate freely and effectively with people. Time management quick tips. 1. Which should be first and why it should be first. 2. Make records. Record every day what you do. 3. Review your activities. 4. Prioritize your list. 5. Plan your week. 6. Carry a notebook. 7. Think before acting. 8. Identify bad habits. 9. Don't do other people's work. 10. Keep a goal journal. Make sure you are on the right track. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem. you.